Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco here, 2019 Civic Education Pass question. Question number 35 says barricade on the road signifies dash. Barricade on the road signifies dash. Now, barricade as an English word simply means block on the road signifies dash. A. Pedestrian crossing. B. Roadblock. C. Road demarcation. D. Road diversion. E. Steeply signed. Now I want to talk of pedestrian crossing, that is people using legs to cross. That is pedestrian. People that trek. Then roadblock. Then C. Road demarcation. Demarcation means road division. Division that occur by road. Then road diversion, that is follow alternative, simply means alternative road. Then steeply sign, that is a sign or a signal. The roadblock means stop or stoppage. Let's say stoppage. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.